If you're an e-commerce brand looking to get more physical, cue Emma.
Let's get physical, physical.
Launching a pop-up shop or event is an excellent choice. Thanks for that. Now, as people are starting to venture outside once again, pop-up shops are a great for attention-grabbing brand engagement experience and introduce people to things they didn't know about.
So to help you get started, we're going to explore some inspirational examples and explain how you can launch your own. Starting with source the right location. Your location will form the foundations of your pop-up or event success. So when it comes to choosing the right location for your pop-up store or event, foot traffic, cost, and accessibility are your three main components.
First, you should look for temporary rental spaces, local craft fairs, farmers markets that fit within your budget, and then create a short list of your favorite. And if you can, visit each location and ensure it's accessible to all and has enough space to display your designs, branding, and products. If you're struggling to make a firm decision, you can search online for public retail locations in your region, picking the venue or space with the best foot traffic.
Now, once you've secured your fantastic, fabulous location, you should gather your team and create a floor plan based on where you want your sales desks, customer touchpoints, product stands, and installations to go. And with your plan visualized, get together with everyone involved with the pop-up project and then start brainstorming. The aim here is to settle on a strong theme or concept based on the current season trends within your industry or a certain selection or category of your products.
As long as it's in theme or concept that will resonate with your target buyer persona, it's likely to be a winner. But when you set up your pop-up, you should use features including QR codes or tablets that lead customers to specific product pages, landing pages, or even an email subscription portal. Doing so will merge the digital with the physical while offering additional engagement as well as data gathering opportunities. Plus, this is the level of details your pop-up visitors will kind of expect from you.
And in addition to getting your physical shoppers over to your website, you can also entice your digital customers to your pop-up shop or event by offering a pickup at your pop-up option. And this approach offers people plenty of convenience for local shoppers to save on shipping, a more personal level of service, and is likely to drive traffic to your pop-up shop or event.
And then creating an immersive element for your pop-up shop doesn't necessarily require expensive tech or complicated bells and whistles. Being immersive is simply offering your customers an experience that they can get involved with. This can be things like a product showcase where customers partake in a little testing and offering their feedback, special discounts, prizes, or free goodies only offered at this temporary location. Kind of creates a bit of FOMO and might motivate people to take action. Or lastly, it could be a photo opportunity where customers can take a themed photo and use relevant hashtags when they share it via social media, an effective brand awareness boosting method.
Launching a pop-up or event takes a lot of work. For sure. But once you've launched successfully, you'll reap endless rewards, including commercial growth, increased customer loyalty, and a boost to your bottom line. Sounds good to me. All right, that's a wrap. But your journey doesn't have to end here. We have over 250 videos for you to watch.
So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is The Journey.